In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust your settings where you can or will not have protected view enabled whenever you open up this file in Microsoft Excel. So protected view is great because whenever you open up a new file, it can make sure that it won't harm your computer, right? But it can be a little bit annoying at times if you are opening up files that you use regularly and you know they're good to go. So to do this, you go to File, we'll be down to Options, and from here, click on Trust Center. Click on Trust Center setting. And then here, you're going to want to go to Protected Views. And here, you can adjust for protected view settings. So right now, I have it to where it enabled protected views for files from the internet, protected views from files in potentially safe locations, and enable protected view for all attachments, right? Just because I want things to be safe, but if you don't want to have to worry about this, then you can uncheck these boxes. Now, you can also make it to where you can have untrusted text-based files like CSV or whatever always open in protected view, and you can also make it to where you can open untrusted database files in a protected view. So by adjusting these settings, you can make sure you can find that balance between having things protected as needed, but at the same time making things accessible and easy to use. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.